bedtime. These little menaces. Oh, sorry. Oopsies. Excuse me. Sorry, and I haven't posted that dinner video yet because I need to take a picture. GK I gave them because they said I would. And this. So this one might end up going out because I forgot to edit the other. Really? Was that necessary? Actually, though. Do you? Hi. I should just flick sawdust at my face. Literally. Can I have that? Yeah, that. Yeah, that. Yeah, that's it. Can I have it? No? Close enough, Cookie. Hold on. Hey, Bubba. Sorry, that was right in your eye. You do have... Can you stop flicking sawdust at my face? Please. Sure. Ready? Okay. Don't get out the pot. How's your eye doing? She's also... Oh, really? This is the time I use when I'm like giving it to them like this. Can I check their eyes and everything? Good? Good. Good, because you're the one who has issues with your one eye because you always get fluff in it. Sometimes your eye isn't looking good. She's it. Can you? Yes, Ash. Yeah. Look at your eye. Right, it's fine. Okay. Hey. So you can ensure it's dressing something, I'll just put it down in one spot. And then once I've checked it over, if it's good, then I won't pick them out. If there's something I want to check, I will pick them up. Sorry, Ash, I just put pellets all over you. Alright. Scared you. I moved to check. Hi! Here we go. They do love their pellets. There you go, Ash. Okay. Nice hay. We have still got the hay with garden veg. Eating fluff. I don't recommend eating fluff. Doesn't taste very nice. Sorry. There we go. Nice and full. Wow. Good boy. Good girl. Give me some straw. Pick that up. Get I get my straw, but so now these are right here. Cleans it out. I do this like sometimes. It's a poop. Really obvious sometimes. Because I check the straw every day. No. You can see stuff like this. And then when it's really wet, it's going to be removed. Because it's not really good for me to just sit and wetness. That's full. You'll see them. Maybe the wood chips and stuff. Get some. This thing probably can get this. I think it actually needs to. So that'll go in the bin behind me. Now, I don't need the more stuff. Just holding it back. See, you try and not get the straw to go too much past this, because otherwise it does just fall. And this is, it doesn't need too much anyway, because obviously they squish it down. So, they do eat it. It's the other. There we go. The doors can be a bit difficult, and that's the issue. Let's put the black bin out. Might have to go out there, but I don't want to do that. Actually, yeah, love you. Yeah. Good babies. Now we just got to put all the covers down. What we might do today is, I think I'm going to set the camera up there. I think, and then do the covers and put my phone up. So, back. Okay, I think. Yeah. This is just genuinely easier. They do have airflow and everything. It's very cold. So it likes to rain. And we're all done. So I'll flip it around again. This is what we got. There's the little rascals munching away. Good job. Love you. Hi, Papa. He's a good boy. He's a good girl. Why don't you think rascals? Okay. And that concludes our bedtime.